S20 fully built.
S13 fully built.
Right now. Oh, it looks like it's ready to go. Talk to me about that. Okay. Nice.
I always love the shape of this car, man. It's a beautiful car.
Guys, Rich Magazine, we back at it. Daily on Supercars. We got Azim here. Azim got a very nice special toy here. Azim, let him know what you got here, please.
Hey, what's up, man? I'm doing a vlog for my man Tony right here. I got a 1989 Nissan S13 240SX, built s13 from an s14 ABM. It's on airbags. Pushing about 450 horsepower right now.
You said 450. It's a SR20 fully built.
S13 fully built.
Woo, let me take a look at this bad boy here. Guys, the car is on. The car is on. Is heating up right now. Woo. So talk to me, Azim. What else have you done to this car? Because this car looks pretty low. It looks like it's ready to go. Talk to me about that.
It's on airbags right now. It's got a midnight purple 3 R34 GTR. Advan 1 rims.
And a few things. Let me get these tires on there. Oh, I see these calipers look nice. Okay. Nice. And how do you get this car? Like, what made you get into this car?
I always love the shape of this car, man. It's a beautiful car. It holds the powers rear-wheel drive for beginners to learn how to drift, and it's a very nice car, man.
Reliable, I can imagine. That SR20 holds down that power too.
Got no problems with the motor. Everything runs as it should. I'll show you the trunk setup right now. Show you the airbags.
Okay, yeah. Please let us. Yeah, guys, this car is beautiful. Yeah, it's a midnight purple. It's getting a little dark, but yeah, this car is beautiful. And the way that it's standing here is very nice. All right, let's see what he got here. Okay. Yeah, you might need to help us out. Just put it over here. All right. Okay, guys. Oh, and look at the setup that he got right here. He got all the little cars right here as well. This is nice. This is a nice little setup, Azim.
I haven't seen anybody with this trunk setup, so I like to be different. I like to try different things, so I just want to be different from everybody else.
Okay, that's nice. No, definitely is different. He got a whole little world here, guys. This is a nice little setup. He got all the cars here. Wow. Yeah, this is very nice. And what you got for interior? Talk to me about the interior.
I didn't really touch on the interior right now. All I got is sparkle seats. I got glow shift gauges. Okay.
I see you got a nice little setup here. Yeah. This is pretty nice. And I see. Okay. And you say you drive this car often, right?
Yep. It's not my daily, but I use it a few times a week to try to keep the motor running.
Oh yeah, I see somebody popping over there. That's pretty nice. And what you got planned for the future for it?
Next year is interior, different seats, whole different setup for the interior next year.
Okay.
This year was all about the motor and getting it running and getting the power up to where I want it to be.
Okay, nice. Okay, yeah. Again, we have to stop. This is a nice setup that you got here, and this is, as far as S15, this is a nice little clean setup. Azim, I appreciate your time again. Thank you for stopping.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Guys, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. He's new, he's gonna get big, and keep up with the work, man.
Perfect. Azim, I appreciate you, man. Thank you, my brother. Yeah, guys, this is real. This is a nice little setup he got right here.